Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress, and this is the place where we have left last time. Okay, so now let's just go to the tools and okay, so currently as a beginner these things are not important for you all, so let's just skip this. Okay, so currently these things are not important, so let's just directly jump to the settings. Okay, so settings are important. Okay, so first comes the site title. Okay, so currently you see this appointment. This is the site title, what you see. You can change this from here. Okay, so first site title that you see the appointment right on the top, and then you see this is just another WordPress site. This is that text ahead of it. You can change both these options, like the appointment and just another WordPress website, from this place, site title and a tagline. You can make these changes and you'll be able to see those changes propagated over here. And this is the WordPress address of mine, and this is the site address. By default both of them are same, and this is the administration email ID. If you want to change this, you can change it from uh, this place. And next is membership. Okay, so anyone who registers to this website, like as a user, as a customer, by default their new user role will be subscriber. You can change their role to the customer, like you can change the role to the shop manager or whatever that is. I'll change it to the customer. And you can just select this. If you want, anyone can register. If you don't want anyone to register, if you want a few specific people to register to your website, or whether you want to add them manually to your website, then you can disable this. Okay, so if you want anyone to register your website through some form and all, then you can click on this. And this is the site language. By default it's English, United States. Keep it that way only. This is the time zone. If you want to change it, you can change this. This is the date format. Okay, so how you want date to appear on your website. Okay, I want my date to appear in this fashion, this fashion, this fashion, whatever that you want, you can just select it. And this is the time format, how you want your time to be shown on the website. You can just change it from this place. And this is a place from where you can select from which day or week should start. Okay, so week basically starts from Monday. If you want your week to start from Sunday, you can just make those changes. And whenever you make any changes, just make sure that you are selecting those changes over here. And next is writing. Okay, so whenever you write any post, this is all about the post and all. Okay, so whenever you write any post, by default, if you have forgotten to specify the category of the post, it will be uncategorized. You can just set it to news, breaking news, weather. I have already shown you how to create these categories and all. Okay, and default post format will be standard. If you want to change the post format, you can just change it from here, whether the post format is audio, video, status, quote, image, link, gallery, whatever that is. Okay, and this is the post via email. If you want to post something via email, then this is the setting where to set your login name, then your mail server, then the password, default mail category. You can just select it over here. Okay, and next is reading. Reading is basically it talks about this how you should how a person visiting your website is visiting your website looks at your website. Okay, so let me just tell you all in the most specific way. I don't know how to do that. Okay, so when it comes to my website, this is my website. Okay, and currently this is my home page, which says get a brighter smile from the London's best dentist, etc, etc. But if you don't want this as your landing page on this domain name, then you can change it over here. If suppose I want to change it to the about us page, I will save this. So I have created the about us page, but there is nothing on the about us page. I will refresh this. Okay, so now this was the about us page which was created by me, and whenever anyone will come to my website, this is the first page what that person will see. Okay, that person will see the about us page, because I have changed it from over here. I can change that to home. I'll save this. So whenever anyone will come to your website, what you want to show it to them, you can specify or declare that from this particular option. Okay, so now I want them to go to this okay, so this is the another home page. I have told you all that I have two home pages. This is that another home page, that's why I got this different home page setting. Now let me just refresh this, and this is that previous one. Okay, so you can also select whether you want to show some post and all. Okay, so whatever you want to show, you can you want to show on this main address, you can just select it from here. Whether you want to show the blog page, then you can select that also. Okay, this is all about the reading, and rest of the things we will see in the upcoming classes. Thanks for watching.